If you're looking to set up SuiteDash for managing your membership site, you're in the right place. SuiteDash can streamline your operations, but getting started with the setup can feel overwhelming. Stick around until the end for exclusive trial offers and a look at some alternatives that might actually better suit your needs. Let's jump in. First, the SuiteDash dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see everything you need to get started with membership management in one place. The key here is customization. You can tailor the dashboard to match your business's needs, making it easier for you to navigate the platform. You can set up custom branding and integrate various tools that will help your members feel right at home. Next thing, setting up your membership levels. SuiteDash gives you the ability to create different membership tiers, each with its own permissions and pricing. You can assign specific access to content, features, or discounts based on the member's level. While it's great for organizing content, keep in mind that the process can get a bit complicated if you're dealing with a lot of different plans, which isn't always the case with other platforms designed specifically for membership sites. Now, let's talk about automating member management. SuiteDash offers automation tools like autoresponders, email notifications, and membership expiration reminders. This can save you a lot of time, but again, it's important to note that these features are not as robust as some competitors who specialize in membership site automation. The fourth thing, setting up payment gateways. SuiteDash integrates with payment processors like Stripe and PayPal, which is great for ease of use. You can accept payments, set up recurring billing, and even send invoices, all directly through the platform. But if you're looking for deeper integrations with multiple payment methods or want a simpler interface, some competitors might offer a more straightforward experience. Next, you'll need to set up your content access rules. This is where SuiteDash shines for many people managing membership sites. You can easily create secure areas for members to access content based on their membership tier. However, one downside is that the user interface for setting these up can be a bit clunky. If you're managing a large amount of content, this could be a bit time-consuming. After setting up content, the fifth thing to do is setting up communication. SuiteDash allows you to send bulk emails, set up workflows, and even create a client portal for personalized member experiences. But the messaging system can be a bit overwhelming if you don't need all the features. If you're looking for a more straightforward, easy-to-use system, other platforms might be a better fit. Lastly, don't forget to customize your sign-up and registration forms. With SuiteDash, you can fully personalize your forms to fit the brand, creating a seamless experience for your members from start to finish. However, it's worth noting that while SuiteDash's customization options are impressive, some competitors do a better job of simplifying the process, especially if you're not too tech-savvy. Now, here's where it gets interesting. While SuiteDash is solid for membership site management, it might not be the best fit for everyone. That's why we also want to share some great alternatives that are better suited for streamlining membership site management. These tools are more intuitive and can save you time with less of a learning curve. But before we get into that, let me mention that through the link in the description, you can access an exclusive, extended free trial for SuiteDash. Plus, we've included some top-tier alternatives that come with their own free trials, and they may be a better choice depending on your specific needs. So, if you're ready to take your membership site to the next level, check out the link for the best free trial available exclusively for our viewers and explore those alternatives that could make your job a lot easier. Thanks for watching!